F major, and its relative minor, D minor. So for this scale, we're actually looking at two scales in one. We're looking at the major scale of F major, which has irregular fingering. If you look in the left hand, the right hand, we end on our fourth finger, not on our fifth. And also we're going to look at its relative minor, which is D minor, which has regular fingering. So they both share the key signature in the sense that it only has one flat, B flat. So they share that, and here's the thing about finding relative and relative minors and majors. The thing to understand is that they share the same notes. That's why they're relative, because they have the same notes in their key signature. In the family of their key signature, they have the same notes. For F major, we have F, G, A, B flat, C, D, E, and F. And in D minor, D natural minor, we have D, E, F, G, A, B flat, C, D. The same notes, just in a different starting point. They just start at a different point. Instead of starting on F for our major, we're starting on D, right here, a minor third below F, and we find our relative minor scale. And now let's look at how they work together. Okay, our fingering for our right hand, let's play it at 60 beats per minute. Our right hand, 2, 3, 4, F major, thumb under, finish on our fourth finger there, fourth finger over, left hand, cross over. Very regular fingering for our left hand. Thumb under. The left hand uses a regular fingering pattern that we've seen in so many other scales. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. It's a pattern we're getting used to. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. And then descending 1, 2, 3, 5, 4. I'm sorry. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And for our right hand, 1, 2, 3, 4. We thumb under here, thumb under to C, put our first finger on C, continue D, E, F, and we finish on our fourth finger. And we descend the same way. Fourth finger. Now let's look at 2 octaves. In the right hand, thumb under. Instead of going to our fourth finger here, we're going to cross under. Our thumb is going to cross under, so we're back on our first finger, just like how we started here. And we carry on as finishing on our fourth finger. 4 crosses over, 3 crosses over, 4 crosses over. And there's our right hand. And our left hand, as we said, is standard regular fingering. Cross over here. Fourth finger crosses over. Fourth finger crosses over. Third finger. Finishing on our first. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Thumb under. Thumb under. 1, 2, 3. Thumb under. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there's our F major. Now we can look at our relative minor, which is D minor. Now let's say we play our D minor scale in our left hand. D with regular fingering. 1, 2, 3. I'm sorry. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Cross it over. Our third finger. 3, 2, 1. Here's our B flat that both of these key signatures share. Let's hear them together. F major and D minor. Well, they sound quite nice together. That's because if you bring them closer together, you'll realize that they're playing in thirds. Continuing right up the scale. And then if you move the F on the bottom and have the D on top, you're playing in sixths. So relative major and minor sound really nice together. They're related, they have the same notes in their scales, so that's why they can work quite nicely together and can sometimes be used interchangeably. That's why we're going to do that with this backing track right here. This backing track is in the key of D minor, but we're going to use both scales. We're going to use the F major scale and the D minor scale over this backing track, and we can see how both of them work quite nicely, and we can even see what they sound like together over the backing track. Okay, let's see what it sounds like.